Ready for a journey that's anything but ordinary? We are heading to the hidden gem of Lafoor Lake in the northern Iran, a place where the island community lives completely off the grid. But getting there was a roller coaster ride of chaos. From a bus driver who nearly got us killed, to loud music and photobombing families that turned our peaceful getaway into a hilarious adventure. Trust me, you won't want to miss what happens next in this epic girly vlog.
گلستان شروع میشه مازندران و گیلان، یعنی خطه در واقع سبز شمال ما رو این جنگل‌های هیرکانی تشکیل میدن. خدمتشون 30 تا 50 میلیون ساله، یعنی به عصر دایناسورها برمیگرده. عرض حضورتون به
Now, after about 2 hours of driving, we are in Hirkani jungles and we should take a walk about 10 minutes, I think, and we could see Lafour barrage in our way. We're going to have dinner in the jungle. Yes, I think we are about to have dinner in a restaurant in the jungle.
Yeah.
And I heard that restaurant is luxury, but I prefer if I want to eat something in the nature, go on a picnic or something. I can go to luxury restaurants in my daily life. Am I right? Yeah. Okay, let's go. So now we are sitting and watching Lafoor barrage, yes. And it's so beautiful and peaceful, but there are some noisy people that play their songs loudly and taking so much photos in front of you. Imagine we are sitting here and some people came in front of us and we are sitting here right now and they don't apologize and start to take so many pictures, 1,000 pictures with their families, and it's annoying. And beside that, there were some people beside us. They were playing some songs and we didn't want to listen to that in this location. But we have to because they played that very loudly. So it's almost 7 p.m. and we are really exhausted. We arrived at the restaurant to eat dinner before we got our train. Actually, our van driver, he really drive like in a very scary way, and it's a miracle that we are here. Like all of our parents' prayers and stuff like that, we are here now. But to be honest, it really scared me because he drove really dangerously, and
yeah, we are happy that we are here.
We are happy that we are alive and we can have lunch here. This is really a cool restaurant, huh?
It's a mansion.
Yes. And we are supposed to eat here. And we can see inside of the restaurant. I think it's really nice. So we ate dinner and now we are full and we are going to go to our minibus and take ourselves to train station to get our train at 9 p.m. and we are going to arrive at 4 a.m. tomorrow, and that's it. It was a really good one-day trip.
Yeah, it was. It was peaceful actually. No
Pressure.
heavy activities, nothing. Like that was really light and good. And it's even good for old people. Like it might
Us.
Yeah, like us.